Hello guys and welcome to the new episode. Today we are starting with a clip where blue BMW without looking runs in front of biker. Take a look.
Vamos, come on. Hey, you. Me. Oh, that diesel almost killed me. I had my light flashing in front of my eyes.
Check out the reaction of this biker who almost got into head-on collision with a dumb driver who was overtaking. Sometimes I get the feeling that some people have too much free time and they go around looking for somebody to yell on.
What are you doing on the sidewalk?
Are you kidding?
It's illegal.
Get out of here.
I live in this country a few blocks away.
Get the I'm not that. You need to know how to you need to mind your business. You need to mind your business. I'm going to the post office.
Yeah, well then put it
Yeah, no.
Don't leave it there. I'm calling 911. You'll be arrested because that's illegal what you've done. And you don't deserve to talk to me or anyone else about talking what you've done. So don't curse me out either. You're a bad man. Okay, thank you very much. I'm calling you right now. Thank you for coming.
Dink jy dis nou wat jy gaan doen hè?
The indicator on, okay?
No, your indicator was not on. You can use your mirror before and check your blind spot, okay?
Right, thank you. Right.
Yeah, next time you're gonna lose a mirror if you do that.
What?
You're gonna lose your mirror if you do that to get into a bike, okay? Use your mirror and your blind spot.
This biker thought that this would be one of those where car overheated and just needed a little bit of push to get off the road. But check out what will happen.
Arde sau aspier? Vreți să vă ajut să o împingem? Vreți să vă ajut să o împingem pe dreapta?
Cel mai bine, hai, dar nu vreau să deschide asta foarte.
Nu trebuie să o deschidă, măcar să stea pe dreapta acolo. Aia deschideți capota, nu arde? Aveți extinctor că arde, a luat foc. Stingător aveți? A luat foc. Ai stingător? Dă-i repede la... luați-vă ce aveți de preț în mașină, luați-vă că o să ia foc. Luați-vă ce aveți de preț în mașină. Ideea mea lăsat vizier. Eu patinetul știu, am luat, hai. Eu patinetul știu că am luat Hayabusa.
Da?
Proste, da?
Da, e frică, ce n-ai zis? Atras-o?
Nu-mi place.
Uite aici.
Nu merge, nu merge.
Gata, mă, frate. Lasă-o jos, lasă-o jos. Lasă-o jos, mai ai.
Am toată filmarea dacă vă trebuie pentru asigurare. Vă las un număr de telefon?
Dacă aveți, sunteți deosebiți. Mersi mult de tot. Hai, sănătate.
Dar să se rezolve bine.
Oh, bro, let's take your GROM down the elevator. Are you down?
2 seconds later.
We're gonna get so much trouble.
I know. What if somebody comes out? Just.
Hi.
Hi, I know.
I'm definitely gonna turn it off if we get in there.
All right, come on, come on.
Man, fucking away!
We're going down to the first floor.
Dude.
You going out or no?
No, we're good. Let's park this thing. Let's do a little dance.
Hey, 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 hey.
Ground dance. Okay.
Kickstand spin this.
You gotta guide me out, bro.
All right, brother.
We're good. Made it. Oh shit.
Once again, I will say that stunting on the public roads is not a good idea. There is a lot of obstacles that can get in your way.
That is not a lane. That is not a lane. I know, but that is not a lane. This is my lane. This is not a lane. It's not a lane. This is not a lane. This is my lane. This is not a lane for you.
run the light, right? You know you just run the light, right? I have you on camera. I'm have you on camera. You just run the light. I'm gonna show you the cops. I'm gonna show it to the police. Don't worry. I got your plates. I got your plates. CYM3613.
And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, leave the like and follow us on other platforms. Links are in the description. If you want to support us, visit Lunatic store and get yourself something nice. See you in the next one. Ride safe.